Food check, food check. OC, OC. Just hold here, just hold here.
May glacial bomb sila.
Okay.
K2. Masterpiece.
I'm just hold west wall. I'm looking for their bomb squad.
Okay, ayun na. Nag-drop na. Hanapin ko yung ibang bomb squad. Kung ano pang meron. Dalawa bomb squad nila.
Okay, okay.
Meron silang Ripley bomb.
Here's our boys, boys. Here's our boys, here's our boys.
Nasa southeast yung bomb squad, bro.
Spear bomb squad.
Oo, Spear. Nasa southeast.
Spear, okay, okay.
Kasama ng glacial.
Def tanks, if you have defensive, you can repair gates.
Bigyan mo ng hammer man kung para-reparan mo ng gates.
Okay. Hold here, hold.
Bigyan mo ng hammer.
Isa pang bomb squad.
Just hold here, just hold here. Just hold.
Spear ulit.
Bomb squad nila nasa southeast.
Bomb squad nila nasa southeast, okay.
Dalawang spear.
Okay, okay.
Stacking na sila, looking na.
Bomb squad.
Bomb squad.
Ito yung caller, yung naka soul side sa southeast.
Okay, okay. Just hold here.
Yung another bomb squad north.
Hanapin ko yung isa pa.
Okay, I'm looking shallow northeast on the gate. Wait, cancel. Wait for ally to engage. Northeast on the gate. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. On the gate. Good damage, go back.
Alliance yung nasa northwest. Out alliance.
Lumabas na out ba yun yung nasa northwest natin?
Northwest.
Pa-scout nga Navi kung pupukpok sila.
Hindi.
Kampi.
YOLO guild ng bomb squad. Okay, YOLO.
Dalawa yun, no? Ito BS sa may southeast, binabantayan ko.
Okay.
Trade mo ako, Chase.
Wala pa kayo 100 arcanes dyan. Kailangan nyo ng 100 arcanes dyan. Tsaka mga life curse sa harapan. As defensives.
Heals our boys. Now I'm looking on the gate again, shallow. On the gate, shallow.
Nako po.
On the gate, shallow. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. On the gate, shallow. Okay. That's good.
Looking yung BS southeast mo. Nag-move sila. Going northeast.
Okay. Just hold west wall, boys.
Yun, na-engage ng mammoth yung bomb squad.
Okay. I need a live scout on that. Tell me if they're pushing mammoth.
Lumipat.
Mammoth on ping.
I don't see.
Southeast yung mammoth. Northeast yung bomb squad ng DNLM. Lumipat.
Okay.
Pinush na ng mammoth.
Wait. Just chill. Say, Terry. Okay. I'm looking northeast. Northeast. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Northeast. On the gate.
Yung bomb squad straight east mo, pre.
Kita.
Yung isang bomb squad.
Hindi mo ka-over the wall.
Brim bomb squad sa north mo,
Brim bomb squad north, okay.
Sa southeast, merong Clarent bomb.
Yung boots ng bomb squad na yan.
Tangin ang dami bomb squad gago. Locking yung Brim bomb squad, Stacking na.
Okay.
Sa north, suli,
I'm looking on the gate. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. On the gate. Good fucking damage. Deleted. Defensive already. Defensive.
Bam.
Any bomb?
Nice. Next engage, I'll go for a fake. Mag-engage sa akin bomb squad dun. How to turn off combat mode. Check your settings, son mo.
Looking dreamy bomb squad ah.
Defensive, heals.
Bam 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 bam.
Don't stuck on the gate. Spread.
Okay.
Putang brim. Heals our boys.
Tag ng map dito, gabi.
Now look at me. In 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. On me. On the gate. Never mind. Cancel.
Spear bomb from your east.
Heal the front. Guard runes.
Isa pang bomb squad sa southeast.
Okay.
Spear ulit.
Establish.
Looking ulit yung bomb sa north ah.
Okay.
Ano yung boots ng mga bomb squad na yan? Kung pwede na ma-J-ba o hindi.
Blocking na yung brimstone ah.
Just hold for.
Nasa northeast mo rin yung spear. Pareho sila nandun.
Ang lagtag sa map na to. Puta.
Looking na.
Heals. Just hold. Northeast. Engage 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Northeast on me.
Looking dreamy bomb squad ah.
Ready defensive.
Tsaka yung brim sabay. Ayun na yung brim.
Yan na yung brim.
Ayun na rin yung spear kasunod.
Heals on me. Nice. Establish for no. May bangkay doon sa gate. Putang ina. Nabubuksan ko yung katawan. Hindi ko na lumabas yan.
Sarap i-brawl na bro.
Ayun na yung spear.
Heals our boys.
Pareho nasa northeast yung bama.
Ayoko bro yan boss no. Sayang yung gears.
Mamaya pag ipasok na yun.
Oo, pag pinasok. Pero ninintay ko pag nabasag ng gate.
May spear bomb squad sa east mo ah.
Okay. Healer supports just help our boys inside.
Yung brimstone nag-i-stack na northeast.
Yup. Meron dapat. Puto basag na. Hold southwest side. Don't go in. We can still fight this. We can still defend. That's a joke.
Glacial.
Don't tape kayo nag-glacial. So, stabilize here.
Looking na.
Look. Wait. I'm looking east. Wait for their defensive. Wait for their demons. East. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. East. On me. This guy. Damage. Nice damage. Go back.
Looking yung rip glaive na bama. Nasa east side.
Okay. Walk northwest side a bit. On the ground. Engage natin yung gate after 15 seconds. Hold here.
Ako sa lahat ng bomb squad na. Lalo sa southeast side nyo.
Hold here.
Looking
Mabasag na. Go south. Gate is broken. Walk south. Hold south on me. Not on the gate there.
Pushing sila, bro.
Yup. Establish here. Just hold here.
Isa yung rip glaive. Stacking na sila.
Yup. Just hold here. Brawl for now. Hold. Wait for their engage. Stabilize. Defensive the front. Now go northeast in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Northeast. On the choke. Damage. Nice. Fine. Oh, hold here. Go back west. Heals our boys in the front. Don't run. Just stabilize. We can stabilize here. We still have guards, boys.
Looking yung bomb east side. Ayun na.
Hold here. Don't choke. Don't lamp on the choke. Don't go to the choke there.
Eto, karap mo.
Hold. Engaging. I'm looking northeast. Walk now. Northeast in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Northeast on the choke. Nice damage. Now go back west. Go back west, go back west. Go back west, go back west, go back west. Go back west, pull them. Click the gate. Go inside for now. Go inside for now. Pull them a bit. Hold here. AFK here. Stabilize here. Just stand. Heels the front. Heels the front. Guys, wag kayong pumunta sa putang ina choke na to. Kita yung sa west na to. May dalawang kahoy dito, pati pader. Choke yung putang ina ha. Don't
Looking,
go there.
bro. Ayan na yung bomb squad looking.
Hold. Heels the front. 5 seconds, we're gonna engage. Walk northwest a bit. Northwest. Walk northwest. I'm gonna engage on the bomb squad northeast ha. On the GA northeast in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. On the bomb squad. Enemy bomb squad. Ubus na to. Bomb squad. Putay na. Nice. Go back west. That's the GA bomb squad. That's a Brim bomb squad.
Looking yung isang bomb squad nila.
Here's the front. Here's us northeast. I need heels northeast. Hold here. Stabilize them. Stabilize here. Hold here. Hold on me. Hold. Stabilize. I'm looking northeast again. Northeast again in 5 seconds. Kita yung mga gilut na yan. Naglilut. Northeast. On the looters. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. On the looters. Putang ina, naglilut kayo. Southwest now. Run southwest. Southwest. Here's the front. Here's the front. Here's our boys. He's on. Nice. Go southwest. Go south. Stabilize south now. South. Hold here on me. Hold. Now walk north. We kill bombs ka dan. Hold here. Walk north.
Sa body ulit
Northeast. On the bodies, northeast. Northeast deep 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. On the bodies, northeast. Puta, naguluto naman. Dami. Nice. Heals. We need heals. Defensive.
Patay ko pala yung brimstone na isang
I need
brimstone.
heals northeast. I need heals northeast. Nice. Stabilize here. We go shallow next.
Na-execute yung isang brimstone nila.
Yup. Brawl the battle mode. Brawl the bastion. Hold here. Hold south. Walk south. Now go east a bit.
Looking bomb squad ah.
Oh,
Saka,
east. Walk east. Ikot tayo. This spin.
Nagpupul sila ng east.
Look north on the gate. Northwest deep. In 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Cancel. Mga ratters. Go west.
East side sila.
Nag-east sila.
Go west. Don't get pulled.
Pinupul sila. Pinupul lang kayo, men.
Oh, boys, west. Back to the Terry, boys. Back to the Terry. Yung ginagawa nyo dyan. Pinupul lang kayo. Pinupul. West.
Yo, balik na kayo man. Sobra na yan. Overextending na yung ginagawa.
Ito yung Haribon yata to.
Okay.
Haribon
Dismount on me south. Find the crown, boys. Find the crown.
Nasa choke sila.
Find the crown. Walk with me northeast. Northeast. I'm looking north. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. North. On the clamp. Damage.
Why na sa north?
Go south.
Mamata sa northwest mo.
Stabilize here.
Sa northwest mo.
Stabilize here. Here's the front. Go southwest. Go west. Walk west. Mamot na sa north. Okay, mamot na sa north. Hold here. Just hold here. So sana ikutan pero layo ng ikot. Hold southwest. Don't get pulled to the choke. Ba't kasi hinabol sa labas? Putang ina. Southwest. Walk southwest. Pull natin. Tayo magpull. Walk southwest, boys.
Inaano ng parte ni Shampoo.
Okay.
Pasabi ng
Wait.
Shampoo.
Walk northeast again. Northeast. I'm looking northeast. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. On this guys. On my clamp. On the clamp.
Looking sila.
Hold here.
Pull mo sila ba yan? May umamot mga
Go southwest again. Go southwest. Hold here. Up the choke. Hold up the choke.
Bumaba na yung synergy, men.
Okay. Hold up the choke. Defense.
Looking na yung bomb.
Defensive. 5 seconds. We're gonna engage. Walk east. Down the choke east. Helper bomb squad. Down the choke east. Hold here. Take space, boys. Take space. Hold here. We stabilize here. Brilliant.
Yung synergy.
Hold here. Walk east again. Walk northeast.
Looking yung bomb nila.
Yeah. Hold here. Walk northeast. Establish here. Hold here. Hold here. South. Go south. Walk south. Stabilize here. Just hold here. Wait for them to engage. Go southwest, boys. May engage na tayo. North. Now look north. North deep. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Find the crown. Di yun nakita crown. Go south. Hug the wall south. Hug the wall south. Go east. Hug the wall south. Go east. Brawl them is defensive. Nice defensive. No, go east. Walk with them east. They don't have engage. Walk with them east. Just walk with them. Don't stop looting. Walk with them east. They're running. Walk with them east. Enemy northeast.
Northwest mo mamot ah.
Don't hit mamot ah.
Go south. Kill these guys.
Dami kong loot, men. Puro trash.
Yun, mina one shot pa. Takbo, lane nil.
3 seconds, banner. Basag na isa. 2, basag na. Pwede naman.
Nice.